Alright guys, and in today's video of JC Angling, me, Caleb, and Mitch go to a creek right near our houses in freezing temperatures, and we don't catch that many fish, but it was still fun, even though we didn't catch any fish, but
yeah, the temperatures have been pretty brutal. In the 40s, 50s is a high, and then in the 30s, and it's been raining a lot. Winds have been bad, conditions have been tough, so we haven't been posting that much, so that's why. But as the fishing picks up towards March, then we'll start posting out more often, and you'll get a little bit of better content, so you have something to look forward to.
you know what I'm saying?
I don't got really much to say besides nothing.
Alright, yeah. See you guys in the video.
Boy over there looking for some B-roll. You got the kid up there, Mitch. You guys don't really know him yet, but I'm sure you'll get to see him a lot right now. And you got me trying to catch a fish. Bye.
Oh, first cast. Let's go, baby.
You already know what's up. Oh my god. Hit him with that. Oh my god, what is you doing, bro? Hit him with that little brown trout magnet fall fish, boy. He is literally freezing. I know. Alright boys, thanks for watching, and I know we didn't catch that many fish, but hopefully you enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next one.